ProfitNet also has an interface to CDK Global. Managing the repair order is easy using the ProfitNet interface. Let's take a look. First, obtaining a CDK Global repair order number is easy. Here is an estimate that has been imported from an estimating system. Confirm all the required fields are completed, such as mileage and estimator. Then, convert this to a repair order by clicking on the Convert to RO icon. ProfitNet will go to CDK Global and obtain the next RO number in sequence. Once you have your CDK Global RO number, you'll want to verify that the customer and vehicle information exists in CDK Global. To do that, click on the Dealership button. This will bring up a summary window showing all of the information that CDK Global requires. The green stoplights under Customer and Vehicle indicate that you have all the information CDK Global requires. However, the stop sign says you are missing some information. If you hover over the stop sign, it will tell you what information you are missing. Once you have everything that is needed, click on the double check mark icon. ProfitNet will search for the VIN and the customer to make sure a duplicate does not already exist. If it does find a potential duplicate, a window such as this will appear. The top shows the information currently in ProfitNet. The lower portion shows the possible customer match currently in CDK Global. From here, you have the choice to update the ProfitNet information, update the dealership information, or add the ProfitNet customer to CDK Global as a new customer. Once the information has been sent, a check mark indicates the information has been successfully sent. To order parts in ProfitNet, go to the Parts View screen. Click on your job and then click on the Order Parts tab. Here are the parts that need to be ordered. To order all OEM parts, click on the Order All button. By clicking OK, only those lines will be highlighted and added to a purchase order. This PO can be printed, emailed, voided, sent via OE connection, or transmitted to the dealership as a quote. To order the aftermarket part, click on the line and select the appropriate vendor. All the lines turn yellow, indicating that all the parts have been ordered. To sell parts to your RO in ProfitNet through CDK Global, use the Invoice function, also known as the counter ticket. Obtain the next invoice number by entering N. Enter the appropriate customer number. Enter your employee number. Then populate your parts numbers as needed, either manually, via a parts catalog, or by converting a quote into an invoice. Once all the parts have been added, enter the RO number under the PO field and save the invoice. With the CDK Global Invoice number, you can now return to ProfitNet and receive the parts. By clicking the CDK Global button, ProfitNet will prompt you for your default supplier and ask you to enter the invoice number. This can then be linked to a ProfitNet purchase order containing the same parts. The Receive Parts CDK Global window will appear and automatically link your parts. If a part number in CDK Global does not match a number in ProfitNet, it will be shown at the top of the screen. The left side shows parts in CDK Global that were not automatically able to be associated. The right shows the lines in ProfitNet that were not automatically able to be associated. You can simply select the corresponding items and click Link Parts to manually link the parts together. Then click OK. Here you can receive parts individually or as a group by clicking on Mark all ordered items to be received. Notice you have both the part number from ProfitNet and from CDK Global. By clicking on Process Parts, ProfitNet will show the invoice number, show the tax and invoice totals, and allow you to enter any relevant information. Click OK. Now, ProfitNet will identify any parts price differences. When you close out of the Receive window, you'll see that your parts lines have changed to green, indicating these parts have been received. The process can be repeated for your aftermarket parts. After completing all prior steps, you are now ready to close and bill the job. To do that, simply click on the Close Job button. This screen will notify you if there are any outstanding actions on the task list or if any parts were ordered but not received. When ready, simply click the Complete Status and Final Bill Status boxes. When you click OK, the job status will change to Billed. Next, click on the Dealership button. Review the right side for a green stoplight. Then click on the Post All Transactions button. Now, ProfitNet will ask what type of repair it is. Choose the appropriate type and then click OK. This automatically takes the totals from the estimate and divides them up into the appropriate accounts. By clicking OK, you will be asked to confirm the bill date. You'll also notice checkboxes indicating the information has been posted. The header now indicates the job is closed in ProfitNet and released to CDK Global to the AGJE screen. This can be done in review mode or automatically posted to accounting. For more information on the CDK Global interface, contact your Axalta ProfitNet Territory Manager or Yada Systems.